What's your name?
Jewel Peters.
Jewel, tell me what happened here this morning.
This morning around 2:30, you're sleeping. We went to my bed 1:05. 2:30, my Mr. Greenwich, he saw a light and from the bedroom. We was in this bedroom, and I get up and rush outside, open the door and come outside. And when I come out here now and I watch here, I just saw fire on the wall there. And by the time I run back in to see if I could get, well, the only thing I had to grab is my phone, and fire started to fall hard on a bonnet. The bonnet catch a fire, and I had to run out in a pant and a bra. The man over the hill, I just run bawling, help, help, my house on fire from the outside. And the man on the hill get my jersey, and then the lady, Miss Kathleen, she clothed me in these clothes that I have on. This is all I remain with. As a mother of 6, just lost everything, all the children stuff, all my stuff. I had a small business and all home here. Everything burned, everything lost. I escaped from death. The fire that I saw, by the time I reach out here and run back, I have a pot where a container I'm wetting. You have to run, line set to fall. I run naked in a panty and a bra was clothed by the neighbors. This is all I can see from my business. His boxes and loss of everything. Even the Kuchela still burning everything.